வெல்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்தியன் ரயில்வே இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் எல்டிசி எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ஃபார் ஜூனியர் இன்ஜினியர் பர்மனெண்ட் வே எக்ஸாமுக்கான மாடல் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்குறோம். அதில் ஒரு டாப்பிக்கான மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் ஒர்க் அப்படிங்கிற டாபிக் தான் எடுத்துகிட்டு இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதில் கேட்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான கொஷின்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த கொஷின்ஸ் தான். வாட் இஸ் த கேங் ரோஸ்டர் டூரிங் சம்மர் சீசன்? சம்மர் சீசனில் கேங் ரோஸ்டர் டூரிங் சம்மர் சீசனில் வந்து 7 மணிக்கு வந்துட்டு 12 மணி வரலும் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். அடுத்தது ரெஸ்ட் டைமு, அடுத்து 14 to 30, 17 to 30. இதுதான் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா கேங் ரோஸ்டர். இதே வந்து டூரிங் வின்டர் சீசனில் கேங் டூரிங் வின்டர் சீசன் 7:30 to 12:30 அண்டு 14 to 17. அடுத்தது வாட் இஸ் டியூட்டி ஹவர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ட்ராக் மெயின்டெனர்? 8 hours. How leave on average pay used mark in muster? LAP. How casual leave mark on muster? CL. On what color other than signature are mark in muster? Red color. How the rest is marked on the muster? Marked as R. இதெல்லாமே உங்களுடைய அட்டெண்டன்ஸில் வந்து குறிக்கக்கூடிய வேர்ட்ஸ். How compensatory rest in mark on muster? Marked as CR. Compensatory rest CR. அதாவது நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டியூட்டி பார்த்துருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கான லீவ் வந்து எடுத்துக்கிறது வந்து CR அப்படின்னு போடுவாங்க. கம்பன்சேட்டரி ரெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. How injury or duty on mark muster? IOD. Injury on duty. அடுத்தது how sick leave is marked as muster? Yes. How national holidays in muster? NH. Who can alter the mistake in the muster? SSE or JE? Who is responsible for keeping muster? Gangmate. How many CL days for 1 year? 10 days. இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாம் பேசிக்காகவே நம்ம எம்ப்ளாயாக இருக்கிறவங்க கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுருப்பாங்க. அடுத்தது ஹவு மெனி LAP டேஸ் ஃபார் 1 year? 30 days. ஹவு மெனி LHAP டேஸ் ஃபார் 1 year? 20 days. வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை த்ரோ பேக்கிங்? attending to systematic packing from one end to other end of the gang mail. It is called as throw packing. What is periodicity for throw packing? Once in 2 years for machine packing. How many works are involved in throw packing? 8 operation. How to adjust gauge in concrete slipper? Gauge in concrete slipper is adjusted by proper fixing of liners. Why shallow screening is done in track? For proper drainage in the track. What is the period of shallow screening? Shallow screening once in 3 years. What is the depth of ballast to be opened for shallow screening? Ballast is opened 75 mm to 100 mm in a slope. Can the packing be broken for shallow screening? No. In LWR track, shallow screening to be done under what temperature? TD plus 10 degrees Celsius to TD minus 30 degrees Celsius. What are all the works done in shallow screening? In shallow screening, throw packing is also done. Can the alternate sleepers be opened for shallow screening? Can the alternate sleepers be opened for shallow screening? No. Can the shallow screening be done in hot temperature? No. How the cross level are marked in the track? On cage side of rails over the sleeper. How loose packing is marked in the track? On outside of the rail marked as HRP. How cage is marked in the track? Cage is marked on inside of the sleepers. How alignment is marked in track? One inside of the rail with the arrow mark. How unevenness is marked in the track on web of the rail with arrow mark. How the model track should be done. Model track is done as at a starting of each gang length. Model track should be done for how many rails? Model track should be done for 3 rails. What is the aim of providing model track? To maintain the track to the same standard as of model track. What is the pre-monsoon attention for 2 months? Before monsoon for 2 months, all the bridge way should be cleaned. The all side drains and catch water drains should be cleaned. What are all the works be done during monsoon? During monsoon season, run down location should be attended. Night patrol should be introduced. What are all the post monsoon attentions? All of the track maintenance work should be done after monsoon. What is mean by track circuit? Track circuit is done within station limits for reception and dispatch of train. What are all the liners used in track circuit area? GFN liners. What is clear space to be available below rails for track circuiting? 50 meter. What is the type of cage used for track circuiting? Insulated cage. What is the period of greasing of insulated joint? Insulated joint should not be greased. What will happen if water stagnating on track circuited area? Track circuit will failed. How many sleepers to be packed while laying new glued joint? 10 sleepers on either side. What is to be done for glued joint before laying? It should be tested and laid. If there is burrs in the glued joint, what will happen? Track circuit will fail. What will happen if both rails touches in glued joint? Track circuit will fail. What is the distance to be away from OHE lines? 2 meters. What is the distance to be away for truss near OHE liners? 4 meters. What is the permission to be obtained for working of cranes near OHE lines? Work permit. If rail or weld failures in track in OHE, or what is the first thing to be done before placing joggled fish plates? Both rails should be connected with the jumper. What is mean by track recording car? With records car parameters of permanent way. What are the observations done in TRC? Cage, level, alignment, unevenness, twist. What is mean by OMS 2000? It records the kilometers requiring attention in railway track. What are all the defects pointed out in OMS? Vertical oscillation, lateral oscillation. What is the interval for measuring cage in the track? At every sleepers. What is the interval for measuring levels in the track? At every 5th sleepers. What is to be observed in the track during movement of the train? Sleepers to be observed for packing. What is to be observed in the train? In formation during the passage of train. For complete passage of train, hot axle, flat tire, partition of train, any fire in the train, any hanging parts in the train. In which month gap survey to be completed? February month. What month greasing of fish plates to be completed? February month. When side drains to be cleaned in cutting? Should be cleaned before monsoon. where the catch water drains are available in cutting at the top of the cutting. What is the maximum permitted value of grip in track? 150 mm. Okay friends, next video sleepers. Next video பார்க்கலாம். Bye.